Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let me introduce myself. My name is Satorik Nuriza. You can call me Satorik. And how about you? What's your name?
My name is Wina. You can call me Bu Wina.
Bu Wina. It's a good name. And how about you?
You can call me Butika.
Butika is a good name juga. Bu Wina and Butika. Okay, Bu Wina and Butika. So, how are you today?
Feeling just fine.
Okay, fine. Feeling good. Good job. Okay, is there anything special today? Apakah ada sesuatu yang spesial hari ini, Ibu?
Yes, attending your
Oh,
presentation.
Oke, baik, terima kasih. Oke, jadi hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris tentunya ya. Oke, let's play word games. Oke, next. So, can you see? What do you see here? Apa yang kamu lihat di sini?
Game.
Games. Oke, so what is that? Apa itu?
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird. Good job. Okay, next. What is that?
Zombie. Plant versus
Plant versus zombie. So what is plant in Indonesia?
Tumbuhan.
Tumbuhan. Okay, good job Ibu. Okay, how about this one?
Zuma.
Zuma. Benar sekali. So this is Zuma. Okay, kemudian. So here I will ask you some questions. Saya akan bertanya 3 pertanyaan. Yang pertama adalah, do you like playing games, Ibu Tika?
Not too.
Oh, not too. Okay. How about Bu Winar? Do you like playing games?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes, kadang-kadang. Okay. And how about what kinds of game do you like? Game seperti apa yang kalian suka?
Dari ketiga game tadi sebenarnya saya sudah pernah mainkan pada saat pas
Okay.
kecil.
Okay, maybe about game apa ya tadi ya, Zuma? Termasuk game apa itu? Apa race? Apa sports?
Oh, itu cocokan warna.
Cocokkan warna, berarti matching ya?
Yes,
Matching a color. Okay. How many times do you play games in one day? Ayo.
Saya saat stres.
Saat stress, when you get stressed, and then
Yeah. Also.
oh, sama, oke, oke, that's good. Kemudian, can you see we like playing games, but can we play a game without instructions?
I think no.
No, good. Kita berarti kalau main game itu nggak boleh salah-salah berarti ya.
Iya.
Harus ada
Instruksi.
instructions, instruksi or instruction. No instructions sama dengan confused. Apa confused?
Bingung.
Bingung. Oke. Nah, ketika kita bingung, tidak ada tujuan ketika bermain game, kita bisa melihat 3 poin ini. Yang pertama adalah first, yang kedua apa? Then,
Finally.
finally. Oke, ibu-ibu, sebelum kita memasuki materi kita hari ini, kita akan ada sedikit ice breaking. Oke, if I say nomor 1, coba kalian claps 3 kali. 1, 2, 3. Oke, 1. Kalau tuh cukup 2 kali juga. 1, 2. Kalau 3, 1 kali, kebalikannya 1 clap. 1 clap. 1, 2, 3. Oke, good. 3, 1. Oke, good job ibu-ibu. Oke, step atau langkah. Oke, first, then, finally. So, jadi dari 3 ini, apakah kalian bisa menyambungkan dari materi sebelumnya? Ada game, harus ada instruksi. Benar seperti itu?
Betul.
Iya,
Mhm,
betul.
betul. harus ada instruksi. Yang pertama adalah first, artinya apa? Satu, tapi yang pertama. Then, lalu finally, akhirnya. Jadi ini adalah 3 poin utama dalam sebuah instruksi atau instructions. Nah, kaitannya apa dengan game tadi itu? So, kita kembali lagi ke game. Can we play game without instructions? Kita tidak bisa. Berarti kita harus ada 3 instruction atau 3 poin penting, yaitu first, then, finally. Nah, inilah yang disebut dengan prosedur. Jadi hubungan tadi bermain games dengan 3 poin itu kita bisa sebut prosedur text or procedure. So what is procedure?
Teks yang menjelaskan tentang bagaimana cara.
Ya, instructions. Ya, relate sama previous slide tadi.
Okay.
How we make something. Nah, atau how to play a game. Oke. Jadi itu adalah sebuah text procedure. Jadi ada instruksi. Seperti tadi, if I say 1, kalian berarti berapa kali clap? 3. Oke, itu adalah sebuah instruksi. Any questions?
Apakah ada ketika menulis teks ada struktur?
Ya, good questions. Strukturnya adalah kembali lagi ke sini, back to this point. Yang paling penting kita harus ada kata first, then, and finally. First, it's for the to begin. We write. Jadi ketika kita menulis prosedur teks, we should write first, bla 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 seperti. Okay, first raise your hand, and then and then say yes, seperti itu. Jadi 3 poin itu. Nah, okay, so here the steps are mixed. Okay, jadi ini adalah contoh 3 yang acak. The steps are mixed. Who wants to help? Ada yang berani? Oke. Oh, karena sama-sama berani, kita akan play games. Oke. Play gamesnya adalah kita akan mendengarkan video. Oke, jadi Simon says, the title is Simon says, you will listen the audio and the instructions, and then kalian harus mengikuti, follow the instruction. Misalnya kayak stand, ya stand apa? Berdiri. Jump, melompat. Tapi tidak usah terlalu melompat, cukup seperti ini aja. Oke? Are you ready?
Hey, let's play Simon Says. When I say Simon Says jump, you jump. When I say Simon Says.
Ingat ya, kalau ada when I say Simon says, you follow the directions. But if you don't listen, Simon says, just diam aja. Okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Shout hooray! You shout hooray!
You shout hooray!
But if I don't say Simon Says first, don't move. And that's how we play the game. Are you ready?
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Simon says
jump! Jump! Okay, good.
Simon says touch your toes.
Touch your toes. Where is touch your toes? Okay.
Simon says stomp your feet.
Stomp your feet.
Wiggle your ears.
Wiggle your ears.
Did you wiggle your ears?
No, did you wiggle your ears?
Let's play.
Jadi nggak ada Simonsnya ya. Don't wiggle your ears. Oke. Oke, next. Let's play game.
Simon says, hop like a frog.
Hop like a frog.
Simon says, shout hooray! Simon says, slap your knees.
Slap your knees. Okay.
Roll your eyes.
Roll your eyes.
I didn't say Simon says.
Okay.
Let's play.
Okay, let's play
Simon
game.
says, fly like a plane. Simon says, moo like a cow. Simon says,
Simon
wiggle
says,
your fingers.
wiggle your fingers.
Touch your nose.
Touch your nose. Touch your nose.
Did you touch your nose?
Oh,
I didn't say Simon said.
okay. Okay, give applause. Okay, jadi I will choose you, Ibu Wina. Who wants to help? Ya, Ibu Wina. Coba match the good as a good sentence. Seperti ada 3. Jadi pilih kira-kira yang mana yang pertama. Which one is the first sentence?
First, listen to the teacher.
Okay, good. How do you know this is the first sentence?
Karena listen mendengarkan guru, jadi
Ah.
mendengarkan instruksi terlebih
Good
dahulu.
job. How about you, Ibu Butika? Which one is the first sentence? Kalau Ibu Winar, he said, karena harus pertama listen, mendengarkan. Ada lagi any reason? Is there any reasons?
First, clap your hands.
First, clap your hands.
No, yeah. Sorry. First, listen to the teacher too.
Oke, jadi
Agree with
good job.
each
Give
other.
applause. Karena apa? Karena ada kata first yang
First,
pertama.
yeah.
Oke, how about the second one? Ibu Tika,
Then clap your hands.
clap your hands. Oke, good job. Karena apa? Nomor 2. Karena kenapa kok?
Ada then.
Ada then. Terakhir Ibu Winar.
Finally stop.
Finally stop. Oke, give applause. Okay, now let's do the procedure together. Oke, jadi yang pertama kita harus ada kata first. The word first in procedure text, it should be number 1. Listen to the teacher. Jadi bukan hanya listen to the teacher-nya aja, fokus ke first-nya. Kemudian then, yaitu adalah kemudian. Kemudian finally, stop. Oke, kita akan sedikit bermain satu games lagi. If I say first, and then if I say then, and if I say finally, you can make a gesture like listen to the teacher. So how is the gesture? Okay. If I say then, yes, your hands. If I say finally, okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, then. Okay. First. Finally. Oke, bagus. Good. Presentasinya sangat bagus. Oke, one more time. Then. Finally. Okay, that's good job. Okay, thank you for your attention, Ibu Ina, Ibu Tika. Okay, so what we learn today? Apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? Prosedur text. Apa itu prosedur text? Instruction, langkah-langkah, step by step. Okay, baik. Any questions so far? Oke, baik. Terima kasih atas waktunya Ibu. Thank you for attention. Don't forget to open your next chapter. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your coming and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.